follow. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple and fun drawing ideas. I love how simple this drawing is. Anyone can do it. Wow! Isn't it amazing how this drawing comes together step by step? Look how cute it's turning out already. Great job! Adding all these little details is so much fun, and they make it even more special. This little character is coming to life, isn't it? And remember, if you want, you can always give it another try. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hey, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss out on new adorable drawings. If you enjoyed drawing with me today, please give this video a big thumbs up. Your support means so much and helps me create more fun and easy tutorials. Thanks so much for watching.